Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use RecCloud AI video generator application. So it's really popular website or tools. Now you can use it on your smartphone. So how to use it? First of all, you need to install it from your Google Play Store or App Store. Then simply tap on the open button, agree and continue. So now you can create your account with your Google, or you can create manually. So I prefer Google. So I successfully created my account. So now you can see here, this is the interface. So import file, you can file import to edit your things. So now go there in your create this option. Then you can see here text to video, marketing video, replica, translate video, and hot tools. So you can use all of them here. So it's not totally free, like you have to buy premium to get all things. You can see here the premium feature, you can see. So and basic mode, this is one, like $4 per month. And if you want to text to video, so tap here and you can text here. So I just, and you can see here there are sedans. It's really nice model nowadays, it's really popular. So you have to give a video generator, so you can generate video here, create long video also. And subtitles, if you have the videos from your device, then you can import those videos, and this website make the subtitle automatically. Text to speech, you can generate your voice. So you can see here, you can give here a writer, so generate random, and you can see here it takes one credit, and you can choose the voice from here. There are a lot of voice, and you can see BGM. If you want background music, you can use this. So you can also upload. So you can see here there are a lot of things. And transcribe, you can transcribe this thing, live transcribe, library, and this is your account. So actually it's really easy to use. You can see upgrade. If you upgrade, then you will get all the facilities.